Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to explain you about lambda expression. What is the lambda expression, what are the benefits and what is the syntax. First we will cover the theory part and the second we will cover practical part. Okay. So lambda expression is an anonymous function, that is a method without name, allow developers to write concise and functional style code. The lambda expression is used to implement the method present in the functional interface. So this is the syntax. First part is the parameter list, second is the arrow token, and the third part is the body part. In the first part is the argument list where we input to the function, and input can be empty and contain multiple number of variables. Arrow token it separates the parameter list to and the body, and it also links the arguments to the function logic. Body is contains the logic to be executed. It is the simple example of the lambda expression. Okay. What are the advantages? Type inference. It means you don't need to explicitly declare data types for your parameter. The compiler automatically deduces them from the functional interface. That I will explain you in practical, and it improve the readability. That code is easier to read and maintain. And the third benefit is the concise code, that it reduces the boilerplate code compared to anonymous class, that I will explain you in few minutes. So let's jump to the practical part. So first we will create a interface method without any input, and we will implement it. You can see the output. So in this example I have not passed any input. Now in the second example I am going to pass some input. You can see we have the sum of two numbers. So the benefit I am talking about type inference. Okay, so you can see if we remove that data type from there, so compiler will automatic interface that reduce the data types from the interface methods. You can see time, and if we will try to add double, we will get the compile time exception. And the third part advantage is it reduces the boilerplate code compared to anonymous class. I will show you the example. Let's create a runnable class R1. Let's give it a try. Run this code. You can see we have to write this much of code without lambda. Now let's try with the lambda. You can see this is the new way, so it will reduce this number of lines that anonymous class. We don't need to write the anonymous class, and also we can also reduce this further if we pass this much of code directly there. You can see. So this is the way that the Lambda expression reduce the boilerplate code. You can see we don't need to write this much of code. We don't need to create the object of that instance of runnable interface. We can directly pass there. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more and more videos. Thank you so much.